Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer beef short ribs with Korean barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here some beef short ribs and it's over 1 pound. Let's open it up. We're going to cut them in between the bones. Next we're going to season it with some salt. There you go. Some garlic powder. And lastly, some ground black pepper. There you go. Next, we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. There you go. We season both sides. We're going to put the beef short ribs in a bowl, but before we do that, we're just going to try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. Looking good. Next, we'll need some Korean barbecue sauce for ribs. You can buy this off of Amazon or at your local grocery store. We'll need around half a cup. We're going to pour it on the ribs. There we go. Looking good. We're going to cover it with some plastic wrap. There you go. We're going to put this in the fridge and let it marinate for 1 hour and we'll be back. Okay, we marinated the beef short ribs in the fridge for 1 hour and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push to the preheat button and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the beef short ribs. Last one. And now let's put it in. For the beef short ribs with the Korean barbecue sauce, we're going to turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. We're close to the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking good. There we go, we flip them all over. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Next, we're going to put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. The beef short ribs with the Korean barbecue sauce browned up real nice. Look at that. Next, we're going to take some chopped up green onions and sprinkle it on top. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer beef short ribs with Korean barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.